Absolutely.
You're waiting for me.
Ach so, sorry.
We have a problem and we have a solution. Because the allograft rings are not available in every country. But it's no problem to produce them on your own. At the beginning of the allograft area of the bone ring technique, you did them on your own as well.
Yeah.
It's nothing new, I would say.
I start exactly like you'll see now in this video from Thomas.
Yes. And so in most countries you can buy allograft blocks 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters long, and you can make 1 or 2 rings out of it. That's a normal prefabricated allograft ring. It comes in length of 10 millimeters, and that's an allograft block. Now this shows that you always have to keep in mind, are you talking about the inner diameter or the outer diameter of the tree fine? If you want to gain a 7 millimeter bone ring, you have to use a tree fine with an inner diameter of 7 millimeters. If you want to create a ring bed for a 7 millimeter bone ring, a ring bed, then you have to use a tree fine with the outer diameter of 7 millimeters. So pay attention to this point. If you want to make it on your own, then first take your tree fine without a pin and go into the bone block for about 1 centimeter, and then it should look like that. Then I removed the outer part of the allograft. I don't need. Now it almost looks like an allograft ring, but the inner hole is missing, and we do it in the next way. In my opinion, it's important that you stabilize the ring. Therefore you can use the forceps, the ring holder it's called, and it stabilizes the ring for the next drilling. And then take your first pilot drill for your implant system, and then when you have done your drilling, you can remove the whole ring from the rest of the block, and out of the block you can the remaining part you can for example harvest another ring, or you can crush it and use it later.